Shoe insoles are not that expensive, and they can be purchased at shoe stores and pharmacies to help people with foot pain and discomfort. Depending on which ones you look into, off-the-shelf involves provide some comfort but do not address all of the issues. With custom 3D printed insoles, it is possible to help prevent wearers from having problems in the future. Several companies provide custom 3D printed insoles. Being able to see insoles printing right in front to you that fit perfectly is much more convenient than having to order them and have them mailed to you. The company Resa Wearables will soon be providing that option to Chinese consumers. The company, who is based in Arizona, will be launching 3D printed orthotics in China for the first time with a series of kiosks in retail centers. The kiosks will provide 3D scanning and 3D printing services to customers, who in turn can have insoles within an hour. They will have high-accuracy 3D scanners with dynamic capture and digital image mapping, as well as artificial intelligence CAD insole design software. The insoles will be printed on-site using filament from Shenzhen eSun Industrial Co., who Resa Wearables made a partnership with. With 3D printed shoes and 3D printed insoles, customers will be provided with more comfortable shoes and better foot health. Not only can the shape of the insole be customized, but the contours and pressure points can be as well. Resa is a brand new company, which launched last year. Aside from Arizona, they have offices in New York, Singapore, and now they have one in Shenzhen. Like Adidas, Nike, and 3shoes.com, Resa Wearables understands the potential in the 3D printing industry. The company team has several decades worth of experience in footwear, foot care, and retail marketing. Through a partnership with eSun, Resa will be able to reach many consumers and improve foot health.